Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about new scenario in Power BI. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically, this report has been implemented by using the bookmarks option. Now you can see that. So here we have two visuals, like one is sales amount and tax amount. So based on the country selection, we are displaying the respective sales amount as well as tax amount. So we'll try to understand what are the bookmarks I have created. So we'll see first. Go to the view. So here we can see that the bookmarks as well as selection. So just click on that both. Now you can see there are 6 bookmarks I have created. So this is Canada, France, Germany, UK, USA, Australia. Okay, based on the bookmark selection, the respective country sales amount as well as tax amount I need to display in the visuals. Okay, so that is our requirement. Let's try to understand whether it is working or not. We'll try to see that. So now I'm selecting this country. Now you can see that the values has been changed when I select this one. And also I'm selecting this one. So we can select any country. So based on that, so the respective sales amount as well as tax amount I am displaying dynamically. Okay, this report is very simple only. So going forward, we'll try to design more complicated scenarios and all. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comment in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.